He opens with 9 words, then stops dead for 2 seconds. Nobody in the crowd moves. Barack Obama. Selma, 2015. The held pause. Most of us pause because we are still deciding what to say. He pauses after the thought has landed. One is a gap you fell into. The other you chose. A room, here's the difference. The stress falls on the last real word before the silence, and then he stops. Land the word first, and the pause reads as confidence. Trail off, and the same pause reads as someone who lost their thread. A filler is a pause you apologized for. Same line, one in the gap. The words have not changed, but the sentence has. That syllable tells the room you are still working it out. Listen to the pitch, not the words. It drops just before every long pause. A rising tone hands the floor over and asks for a reply. A falling tone closes the thought and keeps the floor yours. Not every pause is the same length. A half-beat separates one clause from the next. A 2-second hold marks the line he wants you to carry out of the room. Pause everything equally and nothing matters. That long pause is not empty. It is where a room catches up, decides it agrees, and answers you. He waits for that. Most speakers talk straight over the moment their audience was about to come with them. Read one sentence aloud, land the final word, then count 2 full beats before you start the next one. The pause is not the absence of speech. It is the loudest thing in the room.